seatbelt on, so you can ride with your boy Dizazta. Show you how we ride on this side. Dizazta area music. I flip this endo like yayo. Move out my way slow, I throw a nigga flirt with death. I don't wanna go quick to collide with my enemies and fake ass friends. I mean, I putting in a dime, but drinking on my Hennessy. My memories serve me perfectly. You wanna be like me? Get it back for your rap plus a salary. Is it vain to me to get paid off my poetry and spend a little money without foes putting holes in me?
This is how we ride. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, this is how we ride. You know, gotta keep the gangsta flow. Here we are. It's on again.
Is it cause I told the strap a lot? Smoked weed a lot, break down my Glock in 20 seconds and hang out with jackpot. Shake the spot before it gets hot. Prefer to use it with bump because I the automatic shells drop. Can't detect it with the cop, don't want my name to stop and love the bump. Hip hop louder when my tops drop. Usually the one behind the pops. The rain down your block, protecting the whole hood with cops.
This is how we ride. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, this is how we ride. You know, gotta keep the gangsta flow. Here we are. It's on again.
Lights count down, you're like 60 seconds from the ground. Your name might spread all over town. You wanna be cheese, but now you on your knees begging please. Hoping my tech 9 trigger don't squeeze. Your heart be repeated. Playing a role like you ain't noticed me. Now you lay at the mercy of my poetry and see the punishment becomes vanished. Your lungs collapse, heart stop, and your breathing vanish.
This is how we ride. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, this is how we ride. You know, gotta keep the gangsta flow. Here we are. It's on again.
I'm doing 60 down the one-way burning hay. Counting money that I made that day, just loading up my AK. The sky's a gray, boy, these streets don't play. But cane is so sweet, it's giving tooth to kill. But anyway, my send up is spark. Watching my enemies pulled up, they just park. And it's dark, put on my high beam to blind them. They don't know I'm right behind them. When I'm done, it'll be so hard to find them.
This is how we ride. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, this is how we ride. You know, gotta keep the gangsta flow. Here we are. It's on again.
Plaster the trunk, they thought that they were dealing with a punk. No Hennessy or skunk, just a sober nigga with a pump that knows when to don't sit down the first thing to jump and never roll in the pump with no bumps.
This is how